everyone, welcome to Unboxed That Box. My name is Today, and today I have something different for you. I have something special for you. Before I continue, let me just invite you politely to subscribe to my channel, and you can click that notification bell button too. Hit and smash that like button, it really matters and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Anyway, I'm going to talk about these amazing LED lights I got from Amazon. They are from a company called SAMTIAN. SAMTIAN, I'm not even sure if I pronounced that correctly. These are real beasts. Beasts for lighting your photo studio or your video studio or your streaming setup. They come in pair and they're actually dimmable, two-tone from 3200 to 5300 kelvins. SAMTIAN TL-288. Yeah, 288 stands for the number of LEDs that are positioned in around the corner, so that they don't shine directly to you, but they are, evenly leading up this great diffuser. And they are CRI very high number. I think it's somewhere around 95% or something like that. And yeah, they have amazing brightness. They come in a large box with two C-clamp, one I have there. So you can fit them to the edge of a table, like I did that there with one. The other one is, they are not made from plastic. They are made from aluminum and they have nice, great quality. They are in a height around 63 centimeters, something like that, and are really, really great and sturdy and great quality. You can clamp this to your desk very, very easily. Just one thing I've noticed that on this, let me unscrew this. On this bottom part, this circular part here, there is nothing padded. You have a really great padded cushion here. It's soft, so you don't damage your desk. But there is nothing on the bottom, this circle. I've used this as a cushion to protect my desk from the bottom. Yeah, you can unscrew this upper part, and you can use this part for I don't know, something different if you like. It actually includes two remotes with 4 batteries. You get 2 power supplies with quite a long cable. Usually there are some short cables, and you get a nice, really great carrying bag. Company is providing a 1-year warranty for these babies. Yes, 1-year warranty. And let me tell you something about this remote. You get 2 of them. But in the case like mine, where I'm using both lights as one, they are connected, you can program a remote and lights on the same channel, both lights on the same channel, and use only one remote control for both of them. If you have even more of them, you can control all of them with one remote control. Yeah. So you can also create 3 different groups, A, B, and C. You can have multiple lights in one group and multiple other lights in the other group. So you can control them wirelessly via the remote with 40 channels. Let's go check this baby here. It measures 37.6 centimeter, that's 14.8 inches, by 26.6 centimeters, that's 10.5 inches, and it is ultra slim. Check this out. It's only 2.5 centimeters thick, or slim. And they're just beautiful panels. These lights are definitely not looking nothing like cheap. No, they are great. They are great quality, sturdy, very nice build, very quality, and you don't have a feeling that it will fall apart. No, it's great. And now you can see here on the back you have places for 2 batteries that are NPF batteries. So you can use both of them, or you can use even one. I have tried this, and if you don't have an electricity option when you're shooting somewhere outside, you can take these babies out and use these NPF batteries that are very common in this system. I have tried this extremely large battery that I have, and yes, they are doing great, but just one minor issue there, it is really juice eating thing, because they are very bright. You have here a hard switch, so you can turn the lights on with a power supply or with batteries, so you can change it if it is power supply or if this is powered by a battery. You can have one or two. Check this out in manual. Where there you have, let me just put this power supply. Okay, yeah, that's right. You see here there is a back screen, and the writings are quite big and it's very well seen, but you don't have to worry about the back screen because you have also screen here on the remote, and you will be actually using this remote as I am. You have this option for brightness and color temperature, and you have the same thing here on the remote control. And brightness, you go with 1% and up to 100%, and it's very bright. Yes, with a remote it's much easier, because if you hold it, if you hold the button on the remote, it will pass about 20 or 15 steps, 15%. You have this color temperature. Now I have set it up to 5100 kelvins, but you can set it 5600 or 5000 or 3200 kelvins. Let me see how they are performing. Now I will try to change this light I'm using for all of my videos with this one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here it is. I've changed my LED light that I'm using for this SAMTIAN TL-288. Now it's on 1%, and let me see if it will burn our eyes at 100%. That's 50, 60 and 100%. Okay, this is 100%, both of them. This is extremely bright. This is 100% and it's too much. Yes. So let me just put them somewhere around 30 is acceptable. Yes. Yeah, 30 is acceptable. Okay, let's put it on 25. That's acceptable. These are really friendly to the eyes, as they are claiming also. I totally recommend them if you're looking for a light to light up your streaming setup or video studio or photo studio. I recommend you this SAMTIAN TL-288. I will put the link where you can get these lights in the description. Yeah, that's it. All you have to do now is, if you haven't already, I don't know why, click that like button, and you can just click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for being with me, and that is all for this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Okay, what else should I say? Well, yes, probably this. See you in the next video, and stay safe. Bye.